Welcome guys to my new video. Today I want to show you how to fix back screen light. Very simple. Right here in my hands and with Technophone, let me on the phone and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, right here you can see that the screen is working 100%, but there is no backlight. Check this out. The screen is working 100%, but there is no backlight. According to the owner of the phone, she said that so many engineers tried working this issue, but they could not. Yes, today I will show you how to fix it. First of all, you need to test it to be sure which side is the problem. We have the negative and we also have the positive side. The negative side, it is from the IC, while the positive side, it is from the VBAT. So let me test with my multimeter now. Okay, make sure you place the positive of your multimeter probe to the ground while you use your negative of your multimeter probe to test. Right here you can see the positive side reads and the negative side is not reading. The positive side reads and the negative side is not reading. Check this out. Right now I will do jumper from this place. Let me show you. This is where I will do jumper from to the back screen light. You may ask, Father Joe, why do you want to do jumper from this place? This is where the connections of the negative is from the IC to the back screen light. Since the negative is not reading, so I will do jumper from there. You may ask, Father Joe, how do you know that that place that you're pointing, showing us is exactly place that will work this phone? Okay, number one, for you to know it's number one, you will use the diagram. I'm talking about the diagram of the phone. Number two, you can use the same phone that works, then you use your multimeter to test for the continuity to be sure that that is where the connection is linked to before you now do on this one and it will work. Okay, let me connect it now. Engineers, when you want to connect it, please be very careful. Be very careful not to allow the negative to touch others' connections. Be very careful. If the negative touch the ground, this light will be lighting continuously without control. Have in mind that the negative from the IC is the one that is controlling the backlight. So if this negative now connects to the main ground, this phone will be lighting continuously and it can spoil the LED. So be very careful. You can use gum to hold the wire on the panel. Have in mind that this jumper wire is insulated, so it will not touch the ground. It will not touch the ground. Make sure that you're using a good jumper wire for this connection. Just put some gum. You can use super glue, just a little of it, just to hold the wire, not to shift to other places. Okay, take time to do this, engineers. Do not rush, take time to do it. Okay, check this out. Have you seen? Check this out. Then take it to this other side. Okay, unlay this. Let me unlay this. Take time to do it. Take time to do it, engineers. Okay, I'm done. So let me cut this jumper wire because it is too long. Let me cut this other side out. Check this out. Okay. Let me cut it off. Okay, now let me put lead and lead it. If you have any question, engineers, ask me in the comment section. If you have question, ask me a question in the comment section. I will be very happy to see your question. Ask me a question in the comment section. Ask me a question if you have any question in the comment section. I will be very happy to see your question. ask me a question in the comment section, engineers. If you have questions, make sure you ask me in the comment section. Ask me a question. If you have, just ask me a question in the comment section. I'll reply you later. I'm taking time to do my work because I want my customer to enjoy my work. That's why you see me taking time to do it. I do not rush my work. I take time to do everything. Okay, I'm done. I'm done now. I'm done. It is perfectly working. So let me on the phone now. Okay, here we go. Let me on the phone now. 1, 2, ready. Here we go. Check this out. It works. It works like magic. Check this out. It works. If you have questions, make sure you drop for me in the comment section. If you have questions, drop for me in the comment section. If you have questions, just drop for me. Have you seen? It works perfectly. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.